Hello, my name is Amelia Bernstein.
Hi, my name is Ella and we're part of the Watershed Warriors Club at Cecil Williams High School. Today in this lesson we're going to be talking about weathering, erosion, and deposition. Let's get into it.
First we are going to talk about turbidity, and we are going to do an activity on it. Then we are going to do a demo about erosion using what we just learned about turbidity. Turbidity is how cloudy or hazy a substance is, and it is measured using a Secchi disc. You place the Secchi disc at the bottom of your container, and depending on how easily you can see it, determines the turbidity.
A substance having high turbidity means that the water is cloudy and it's a lot harder to see the Secchi disc. Low turbidity, on the other hand, means that the water is clear and it's a lot easier to see the Secchi disc.
Now we are going to do a demonstration to further explain turbidity. To start, we drew a Secchi disc on a whiteboard and placed a cup of water on top. Each time we add a new substance, that's a new round. And you're going to write what you observed for each round on your worksheet.
Now you're going to brainstorm and write down everything you know about weathering, erosion, and deposition, as well as the effect humans have on these processes. If you have no idea, write down what you think these words might mean.
Weathering is when rain or snow breaks up a section of land into little bits of rock or dust. Erosion is the land becoming smaller because it is losing these little bits of rock and dust. Deposition is where the bits of rock and dust end up. After the land is eroded, something like rainwater carries the bits of rock and dust someplace else to be deposited. Here we have two open empty soda bottles. One has dirt and the other one has rooted plants, which represent the land. We have two cups with Secchi discs at the bottom to measure the turbidity of the water, like we talked about previously in the lesson. We also have 2 cups of water with the same amount of water in each, which will represent the rain. The independent variable is the roots of the plants. The dependent variable is the turbidity of the water. The constant should be the amount of water, the bottles, and the cups with the Secchi discs.
Make a bet of which bottle you think will have the lower turbidity and why that is. You've just made a hypothesis. Now we're going to do the demo and see if your hypothesis is correct.
As you can see, the water from the one with the rooted plants has a lower turbidity or cleaner water, and it is a bit easier to see the Secchi disc. The one that just had dirt has a higher turbidity or dirtier water, and it is a bit harder to see the Secchi disc. This happens because the roots of the plants hold the dirt or land together, and when it's just loose dirt, as the water flows through, the dirt gets picked up in the water. What did you observe? Write down anything you noticed about the water.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the lesson.